In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a green screen on Zoom. If you have a physical green backdrop behind you and want that crisp, studio-style background replacement, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to turn it on in Zoom and how to set yourself up for a clean result. Before we start, make sure your green fabric fills your camera frame as much as possible and is lit evenly. Shadows, wrinkles, and mixed light can confuse the software, so smoothing things out now will save you time later. Begin inside a Zoom meeting or on the preview screen before you join. On the toolbar, look for the video camera icon. Right next to it is a small arrow. Click that arrow to open the video options menu. If you don't immediately see the toolbar, move your mouse and it will appear at the bottom of the screen. This menu gives you quick access to camera choices and the settings you'll need. From that menu, choose the option for Video and Effects Settings. This opens the main settings window where Zoom lets you fine-tune your camera and background preferences. If the settings window doesn't open or you can't find the option, make sure your Zoom app is updated to the latest version, as labels and placement can vary slightly between updates. Inside the settings window, look for the section called Virtual Background. On some versions, it may be labeled Backgrounds and Effects. Click into that section. You'll see a preview of your camera and options related to background replacement. This is where Zoom handles the keying process, which is the technical name for removing your real background and replacing it with a virtual one. Now turn on the option that says, I have a green screen. Enabling this tells Zoom to expect a solid green color and to key it out more precisely. When this is on, your edges usually look cleaner and movement artifacts are reduced, because the software knows exactly what color to remove. For best results, sit a few feet in front of the green screen to avoid color spill on your shoulders, and avoid wearing green or highly reflective clothing. Aim for soft, even lighting on both you and the backdrop, and try to keep your camera at eye level for a natural look. That's all there is to it. Open the arrow next to the video icon, go into Video and Effects Settings, select the virtual background area, and turn on I have a green screen. Do a quick test call to confirm everything looks smooth, and you'll be ready for your next meeting with a professional, polished background.